What's going on? What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel. Now today I'm gonna do another DIY type of video. Now the other day I was looking up some off-white sneakers, you know, the Air Force 1's, which I had no business looking at because... Anyway, I stumbled across this pair right here. Now I've never seen them before and I don't know if they're real or if they're fake. All I know is that they are super fire. And for about the past week or so, I've been wanting to do a little DIY cartoon sneaker. So I thought, you know what? I got a white Air Force 1. I got some paint. I want these sneakers right here, so I might as well make them myself. And I'll do a little cartoon version of them. Hopefully this goes well. Anyway, before I start, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and like the video. Hook a brother up with some likes. I would really appreciate it. Anyway, let's just go ahead and jump into this DIY. Alright, so we got the bloody shoe right here. We got the all red Air Force 1. Now before we do the cartoon marks, we have to let this dry. And then of course we're going to do all the off-white hits. That makes an off-white shoe off-white. So we're going to go ahead and let this dry. And while this dries, I'll go ahead and paint the other shoe. Okay, so next up, while the stickers are drying, I have this faux leather right here from Amazon that I got for like 15 bucks, I think. So we have to make the little orange hang tag. I got this orange paint right here from Angelus. So that's what we're going to use. First, we need to cut this out. So our main thing is getting the right size. Hopefully, this is good. I'm trying to get it as straight as possible. So here we have the little tags. I'm going to paint this orange real quick. Bam, we got the bloody shoes right here. Now we're gonna go ahead and cartoonize them. I don't even know if that's a word. So I don't know what I want to do yet. I can use the, why do I not know what this is called? This is called a paintbrush. Welcome to first grade. Anyway, that's a paintbrush. Or if I want to use a marker, I got this thick boy right here and I got this thin boy. I'm not gonna make that joke. Anyway, let's go ahead and start this bad boy. I'm gonna start off with this shoe first. Guys, so here's what I got so far. I have the red paint, I got the cartoon, you know, style on the sneaker. But if I was doing a normal cartoon Air Force 1, it would almost be done. But like I said in the title, and as you can see in the thumbnail, we gotta make it more off-white-esque. So we have to attach the orange tag right here. So let's go ahead and do that. So as you can see, we have the orange tag right there. Now we need to have this air. I'm gonna paint it white so it stands out. Now we're not done yet. As you know, some Air Force 1s have that metallic swoosh. So I decided I'm gonna add that with some foil right here. So I gotta outline this swoosh, cut it out, Hopefully it goes as planned. So here we got our metallic swoosh. Hopefully this works. I have no idea. I haven't tried this yet, so we'll just see about that. Let's get this thing out the way. Hopefully this lines up, and then I plan to glue it. So looks a little, actually, that's not bad. That's not half bad. I think I'm gonna do it. All right, so let's go ahead and get this glue out, baby. This worked better than I thought it would. All right, let's see how this turns out. I don't want to get this glue on my fingers, but we'll just see. I gotta place it perfectly because once I stick it, I don't really want to take it off. And I think we should be good. I just gotta like touch it up a little bit, cut some, strands out, but yo, that's actually pretty fire if I do say so myself. Like, no lie, I didn't think this was gonna work that well. But your boy did it, it's not that bad. But tell me this doesn't look like the Air Force One off-white with the metallic swoosh. Yo, honestly, this is not bad at all. I do have to lace these up, and I have to repeat the process for the other sneaker, but I'm not gonna show you guys, me doing the same thing again. So I'm gonna go ahead, lace these up, and I'll show you guys what they look like. Bye. So there you have it, guys, the off-white Air Force One. Now, I don't know if they have a red pair on the way or what, but they definitely should release an all-red pair. I think that would be so dope. Anyway, let me know what you guys think about this colorway right here. Do you like them? Do you love them? Let me know in the comments below. In my opinion, I think they're pretty fire, and they definitely should release this colorway in the future. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Like the video if you want more DIYs like this. Appreciate anyone still sticking around till the end of this video. Shout out to you. I will see you guys in the next one.